Hey guys, Robert Webb here with the Destination NJ home selling team. We're here at my new listing at 104 Pomeroy Road in Madison, New Jersey in the Hill section. The kitchen extension in this house is going to knock your socks off. It has some of the best views that Madison has to offer. If you want more information about this house, including our brand new 3D tour that we're premiering with this listing, check out 104PomeroyRoad.com. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel for future listings. Let's go check it out. As soon as you enter, you start to see the charm of this place. And you see the spacious dining room that we're gonna check out in just a sec. I wanna take you this way first though, and you immediately come into this massive living room with pocket doors that makes this perfect for entertaining or a COVID office. You have wood floors flowing throughout. You have this massive window that allows a ton of light to come in. If you step in right through here, you see this professionally decorated room with this beautiful rich wood that makes you feel very elegant when you're sitting inside of it. You have a stone gas fireplace with a hand-carved mantle, and you start to get a sneak peek of the views I was talking about. We're gonna check them out when we go on that deck in just a second. Through here, you have your powder room, and this is really where the heart of the home is. Check out this kitchen. This kitchen has it all. The extension was put on about 10 years ago and the kitchen was fully renovated. You have your beverage bar complete with the wine rack and like 4 pantries. Who has that much storage? You have Caesar stone and silestone countertops, beautiful stainless steel appliances, a neutral palette, wood floors flowing throughout, and this view is amazing. Let's go check it out right now. This deck was fully redone with Trex decking, vinyl railings throughout, and you have this multi-tiered situation where you can have lounge chairs, a grill, and then down here you can have patio furniture to truly enjoy one of the best backyards that Madison has to offer. The further down you go, you just get more outdoor space. You have this massive deck spanning the entire width of the house, this patio down here, the 2-tiered deck, and overlooking your lush, beautifully landscaped backyard. And now let's go check out the secret garden. How cool is this? Imagine waking up every single morning and having to make the difficult choice of if you're gonna have your coffee here in this meditation area or on your massive Trex deck overlooking the beautiful views of surrounding towns. I can't choose, but when you buy it, you certainly can. Now, let's go check out the second floor of the home. Come on. It's so cool that you can walk in through your kitchen, through your family room, or through this little mudroom with your washer and dryer with just plenty of cabinet space. Let's go check out the second floor and the dining room. This home has 4 massive bedrooms. You have wood floors flowing all throughout the entire second floor. This bedroom in particular right here has built-ins galore everywhere. It's perfect for a full-size bed that fits right inside of there, and you have a walk-in closet with custom shelving already. Your full bath is tastefully updated with beautiful views of the backyard. And now let's check out the master bedroom. The bedroom is massive with plenty of wall space for your furniture, a king bed. You have these great window treatments throughout most of the second floor, but the real treasure is in the extension over the kitchen, your master bathroom. As soon as you come in, you have 2 massive walk-in closets with these amazing pocket doors. Come here. Look at this bathroom. You have this freestanding tub, radiant floors, massive double vanity, and a walk-in shower surrounded by Corian that you can't wait to get up in the morning and take a shower. This bathroom truly has it all and was put in about 10 years ago when the addition was done. We just teleported down here to your basement. You do have this finished part. You have your unfinished part with one of your 2 zoned heating and cooling units. And through here is your 2-car garage. I think one of the most impressive things about this house is how clean the sellers have kept this. They've updated the electric panel, they've added in a generator, gas powered, so that in the event of emergency, your appliances and utilities will continue to run. Thank you so much for checking out this magnificent home with these stunning views. If you got this far in the video, just want to say thanks for watching. And if you have a question about buying or selling, I want to invite you to use the second link in the description and set up a time to chat with me, whether it's over the phone on a Zoom call, or let's grab a cup of coffee and answer any questions you have about buying or selling your next home. If you have more questions or want more information about this house specifically, check out 104PomeroyRoad.com, where we're launching our new 3D tour. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Take care.